All right, so just gonna discuss how I'm installing this. It doesn't take long. It's pretty easy to install. Basically, it comes with this metal bracket. You're gonna want this centerpiece cone inward like that, and there will be a word that says front on the bracket, and you want it facing outward. This is the interface board that the light unit's gonna mount to. You can see you're wiring it up before you even bring the unit over. And it's got a connector there, a 3-prong connector that the light will plug into to interface to the power. So now I've got to cram these wires back in here, get them out of the way so that I can mount this, or not. I can just leave it like that, I guess. There is no filter, or I'm sorry, there's no gasket for this to keep weather out. So, well, at least I don't think there is. I better double check. But it would have been nice if they had a gasket. I don't believe there is one. But that's it. It's just 3 wires, black to black, white to white, and green to yellow green, whatever that is, or green striped. So pretty simple to install.